Okay, hey guys. Today we are going to start. The topic is like previously we have done the basic things only, and I'm repeating the same because you should have to learn a lot from the basic part. If you not understand the basic right, then you can't able to move forward. So you should have to understand the basics. Then only we can able to go through the depth on the development part. So today we are going to start. The topic is you can able to see my screen. Yes, okay, right? Yeah. Okay. So you can able to see my screen, right, everyone? Guys, everyone can able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So today topic is DML. DML and database DML in the Salesforce. So what is the exactly DML and what is the exactly database DML in the Salesforce? Like previously in the old versions, we are using the DMLs and now the Salesforce is updated as a new version that is called as a DML DML. Sorry, database DML. So what is the difference between DML and database DML? Wait, DML in the sense it's a data manipulation language. Okay. And the database DML means database class methods. Database class methods. So in this data mail, it is in this DML, what will happen exactly? Like in this class, you can able to see my I will open the developer console. So very clearly to you. Okay, if I open the class, okay. So you can able to see right all methods in one class. You can able to see the all methods, correct? So when I use the DML, so every one method, every each method should be executed. Like for example, in this class, I'm having overall 50 methods. In each method, I'm executing overall 20 or 30 records, each method. Okay. So when I use the DML, like insert, update, and upsert, delete, and undelete. Okay. If I use the DML, right? So you should have to. So every method should be executed. Every method should be executed properly. Okay. When we are using the DML, when we are using the DML, so every each method should be executed properly. If it is anything error, it's going on in the backend. And in this time, what will happen? The class should be not execute. Like the class should be throw the error. Okay. The class should be throw the error and the records, whatever the records are there, right? It will not store. It will not store in the database when we use only the data manipulation language. Now come to the database GM. If you use the database DML, in this class, overall the 50 methods, if it is anything happen in each or in one method or second method, then also it will be executed. But the first method and second method, whatever we are storing the records, right? This two methods, it will not work. And remaining all methods, it will be work. Remaining all methods, it will be work when we are using a database DML. I hope you clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So see here, when I use the data DML, when I use the database DML, when I use the DML in the sense, the all records should be, if it is anything happen in that methods or in the class, then the class, it will be not execute and the records, it will not store in the database. When I use a normal DML language, if I use data DML, right? Like in this class, anything happen, anything wrong, and anything it's having any kind of validation for the validation, the records are not storing, right? Those records it will not store, and remaining methods, remaining reports, it will be stored very easily when we use the database DML. And this is the interview question. Okay. So now we are going to do this. Actually, we are all did this on DML, and we have done insert, and I'm going to show you now update, upsert, delete, and undelete. Okay. And for the update, for the upsert, for the delete, for the undelete, we want SOQL. You should have to learn the SOQL. SOQL in the sense, SOQL means Salesforce Object Query Language. Query language. This one you should have to know. Like SOQL, what is the SOQL? This is a query. We should have to learn a query, then only we can able to pull out the data. Existing records, like how we can able to pull the existing records with the help of the query only. In the insert, we don't want XOQL, but update, we want the SOQL. Upset also, we want the SOQL. And delete also, we want delete also, we want SOQL. And undelete also, we want the SOQL. Because these four options depends on the existing records. And the insert only, we don't want any kind of XOQL. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now,
Yeah, yeah, yes.
yeah. So now, we will do small, this one only. From Monday, we are going to start the SOQL. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is the DML difference and what is the database DML difference. Okay, now you know, right, how to execute the code and how you can able to write the insert DML. Okay, now I don't want to execute every DML. First of all, what I will do, I will write everything. Okay, then after that, I will execute everything. Clear? So for this case, I don't want to use this class. I need to go through with other class. So it will. So it is so much easy to you to understand. New, just look it, and this is a DML database DML. Okay, this is a class. Now I'm going to show you this class. Okay, first thing I should have to write a with static method, static void execute all DML methods. Right. Now in this method only, I'm going to insert all like DML also and database DML also I'm using in this method only. I don't want to create each method. Okay. So I don't want to execute every each concept, every each activity. I will write it down all thing. Okay. So first is the simple one. Insert count ACC1 equals to new account. This is the instance I'm going to create for the new record. Okay. Now, what I will do now, in this case, I will use the parameter in the, sorry, in this parameter, I will use the name field, name equal to account one. This is a name, account name. This is a account name. Now I'm going to insert, like how I'm going to insert here, insert ACC1. Okay. Now system.debug, insert success. Okay, now ACC1. This is understood, right? This is how we are going to insert the record. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
I think it's throwing the error. What is the throwing the error here? Okay, it's nothing. Okay, this is the insert. This is a insert. Insert. Okay, now update. Now update. So in this ACC1, I'm having this data, correct? In this ACC1 variable, I'm having this name data. Now I'm going to update this one. So how it's possible? So you should have to take ACC1. ACC1 in the sense, in this ACC1, I'm having this name data, right? Now I'm using again name. I'm pulling the name equals to update. Let's first of all I will execute this one. Okay, then you will get understand this one. Execute. Account record is created. Go to home accounts. So this is a account one is created. Correct. This account one is created. Now what I need to do? I need to update. Date. Okay. Now in this ACC1 variable, I'm having this data. Okay. Now I want to update ACC1. I'm having name data. Now I want to update in name, which is updated account one. This one I'm going to update now because in this I'm having this account one data. Now I want to update this name. Okay. Now what is the DML it will use? Update ACC1. ACC1. So now I will use this one. Okay. Update success. Update success. So this one database I will use. So I don't want to insert. I don't want to insert this again ACC1. I'm going to update now. Execute. Debug only. So see here it's updated and see this is a first record. This is a first record. This is a first record also and it's updated as well. Hope that you clear everyone.
Yes, sir.
So see here, this is a now I have when I execute right, the both DML it's updated, it's executed. This for insert, this is for update. First insert what it did, it created a account one, and when I update right, it's updated as a updated account one automatically. Okay, let's close this one. Now, now what the next step? Upset. For the next step here, upset. Upset. Sorry, upset in the sense, UP in the sense, it's a update. And yes, UP means it's a update, and SCRT means it's a insert. So that's why the both combined it will come here. Update and insert both. Okay. Now I'm going to upset account. Upset is a variable equal to new account. Okay. Now I'm going to insert the data, which is now what I will because see now I want to upset. First of all, I need to get here old record. And to get here old record in this parameter. So how I can able to get the old record? Old record in the sense this is a ID. This is a old record ID. Updated one it is there, right? It's a ID. You can able to see the ID, right? If I open this record, you can able to see the ID. It's a existing record ID. First of all, I should have to take the old ID here. So how I can able to pull the old ID? So this is a ACC one, right? ID equals ID equal to what is the variable? ACC dot ID. So this is how we can able to pull. Now what will happen here? The old record I'm storing in this ACC, in this upset. Guys, did you clear? Did you understand right? This one it's a very clear example. So in this new instance, I have pulled the old data in above data. I have pulled the above data. I'm storing this data in the upset account. So now what is meant here? This empty list, this empty instance, it's not empty now. In this empty instance, we are storing the record. We're storing the update one record. That's clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want to update. Now I want to insert new record. Now I want to insert new record. Name, sorry, it's the old record, comma, name equal to upsert account. Okay. So this is a new record. This is a old record. I'm doing now what I'm doing now, upsert. Upsert means it's a old record. It's a new record. Okay. So now the DML. What's the DML? Upsert ACC account. Okay. Upsert ACC account. Now what I will do here, I will copy this one. Now I will paste here. Upsert success. Upsert success. I don't want to use this one. If I save this one, right? Now if I execute, see here, when I execute, right, this three, it will be what? This three record, it will be execute. Insert, debug only. So see here, the first is account record is created. After that updates, this existing records, it's updated and updated after it's a upset as well. So how we can see the output? See here, this is account one. Sorry, this is a updated one. Okay, the updated account one. After that, upset account. Both, both. It's came here. Both it's came here. So now what exactly happened here? Whenever we're having a already old data, this is a old data, right? Updated account one. It's a old data. So when I insert the old data in the upsert instance, the record is not created. This record only is created. Okay, means in this method, the old record is not created. Okay, in this upsert DML, the old record is not created. The new record is created, which it is this one, upsert account. In upsert, what will happen? If you insert the records, right, and whatever the data it's not there, those records it will be stored. Already it's there, right? Again, it will not store in the upset when we use the upset DML. Clear, everyone? Guys,
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. Now delete. Now delete. I don't want to use any kind of delete here. So just I will do here delete DML, delete ACC one, because from starting to ending I'm using the ACC only, ACC one only. In the ACC one I'm having a data, right? ACC one, it's a new in the line number 6, account one we are storing in ACC one. After that, line number 11, this is a account one. Now we are update account one in the ACC one. Okay. Then after that, what we are doing here, we are upsetting. After that, I am deleting ACC one data. ACC one record I am deleting here. Save. Okay. Execute. Now ACC1 is in the sense what data it will delete here exactly. It will delete. Okay. The record is created also and the record is deleted also. Means see the record is deleted. See you can able to see right. Apart from that, when I execute right, there is no new records. Means the record inserted also, the record is updated also, the record is upsetted also, and the record is deleted also. You can able to see the new records. Guys, are you getting right? Everyone? Guys,
Sir, when we update, when you use the update, what to say, command, sir,
mhm,
the account name should be updated, right, sir?
yes,
Then,
here it is here, right?
yes, sir.
Means this is a
But
old record. It's a old record. Now when I this executed for the delete, right? If I'm adding a delete DML here. When I executed this one, the data is inserted also, the data is updated also, the data is deleted also. Means there is nothing here. The data is deleted, the all data is deleted when I execute this one. See, in case if I use undelete in the sense I want to get back the data, whatever the deleted. Okay, so you will get understand here. Save this. When I execute, right, then what will happen exactly? The whatever the data I have deleted, right, it will again populate here. You can able to see, right? Upset and upset. Sorry, upset the data is it came back.
Okay, sir.
Did you get? Okay, everyone, Hemant,
Yes.
Daya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when I did delete, the all data is deleted. When I did undelete, right, the data is again revert back to us. Okay. Now this is a DML. This is a normal DML we have used. So what's the next step? Now database. Database DML. Okay. Database DML, then how it will work exactly. Okay, sorry. I want to show you another one. Merge. Merge also very important. Okay, exactly what is the merge here? See, when I created one record now exactly time is 6:51, 6:50. Uh, in this time I have created one record and 6:51 I have created another record. So here which is primary? 650 primary or 651 primary? Guys,
The first created records.
yes, the first record what I have created, right? That record is a primary. Okay, means the second record whatever I have created, right? That is a it will merge in the primary only. Means that is a duplicate one. It will merge automatically when we use a merge DML. So how we can able to use? So this is account, then master account. I will use a variable. Okay, it's a master account. I will use a variable equal to new account. New account. So in this new account, I will use name equal to master account. Means the data is creating now. Okay, I'm creating this data. Okay, now this is a duplicate variable. Now it's a duplicate account. So I'm creating two records. I'm creating here two records. Okay. Insert insert new. So how I can able to insert the DML? So for the single record, I should have to use like this, right? Insert DML. If I want to insert both in one line, so how I can insert new? I need to use list now. List account, list account. Then so I will call this master here, comma, duplicate. Okay, guys, I hope you are understanding here. And after that,
Yes,
what I
sir.
will do now, this is a insert now. This is a inserting. Now, what I need to do next, I need to add a DML for the merge. Merge. Now, what I need to merge here? Account and duplicate. Account and duplicate. Both I need to work it out. If I save it, right, then so what I will do now, I will use the DML. That is a merge DML I will use. So I will use the system.debug and here let me merge. Save this. Merge success. So when I execute this one, so what will happen exactly? Okay, so you're having two identically equal elements. So before insert or
Master
upsert,
account.
list must have two identically equal elements is showing to us. So what does it exactly mean? Mhm.
Sir, twice master account is mentioned.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Save.
In insert command also, sir.
Yeah. So this is a merge. Okay, this is a merge I'm using now. And if I execute right, then it's also again showing to us typically. What will happen exactly here?
In insert command.
Same is showing to us again. Duplicate. Okay, this is a first variable. This is second variable. This is our first variable, and this is second variable. If I execute now, it's having a merge. If I debug only, then you can have nothing here because already I have executed. If you go to account, see here, you can able to see only the master only. You can't able to see the duplicate account. Can you able to see now?
No.
Yes.
No, right? So it's a merge. Okay. So we're having a DMS insert, update, upsert, delete, and undelete, and merge. Okay. Now we are going to start the database DML. Database DML functionality we can able to use. Till now, you clear, right, everyone?
Sir, can you
Yeah, yeah.
explain me the merge command again, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. So what I will
So,
do now, I will use this one. Uh, so how we can able to bulk? Uh, I will show you once. Okay. So this is how we can able to comment everything. So I have done this one. Okay. Now this is only okay. Now I will go back. I will delete this one because you should have not this one. Okay. Now it's deleted. Correct. Now this in this master variable, I'm storing this first record. In this duplicate account, I'm storing second record. Correct. Now when I execute this one, right, these two records it will be created. This two record it will be created automatically. Clear, everyone?
yes, sir.
Now the next thing. No, actually, when I execute, right, the both like two records is creating in the same name. For example, in the same because I'm here using different names, but in the real time the data is coming duplicate records. This is the first record. This is a first because it's having a 27th line. It is having a 29th line. But then it will execute this one only. It will not execute this one. Okay, when I'm going to insert the insert the DML. And now what I need to do, I don't want to use duplicate. I don't want to insert the duplicate data. Whatever the duplicate it's coming after that time. after the primary record, the new records are generating, right? Those records should be merged in the primary only. Then I will use a DML for the merge. Clear? I will use now execute. Okay. If I execute it, then what will happen? So go back, you can able to see master data only. You can't able to see the duplicate data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now DML. So now the database insert. I will use this one. Okay, I will use this one. Okay. Okay, guys, everyone, just cut and join again. We're having only 1 minute left after the call is disconnected.